What's good, peeps? It's your boy SP bringing you another dosage of positive vibes. Alright, next time you see me, I should have a haircut. All right, so what's good, tribe? Your boy got his haircut, you know. I cut my own hair. Don't make fun of me. If it ain't looking aligned and if it ain't looking righteous, it's all good. Your boy does it himself, all right? I'm trying to be self-sufficient here, guys. Don't make fun of me, all right? Don't do it. I want to give you guys an update on my son's room. For those of you who have been following along so far on my journey of parenthood, yeah, you see the woman here. What's up, baby?
Long time no see.
Say what up, Ashley? Yeah.
I know. Sorry to interrupt you, boo.
Nah, it's all good.
I had to say what up to the fam.
Of course. You know, gotta say what up to the tribe, of course. Always. They
what
missed
up,
you.
Tribe?
What up, guys? Anyways, now I was just talking about, I was pretty much just talking about, wait, one more time. Wait a minute. Okay.
Let's go.
Anyways, all right. So no, I was just talking about the room, our son's room, and how it used to be my old office. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SP bringing you another dosage of positive vibes. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SP bringing you another dosage of positive vibes. And then it used to be your old office, and now it's our son's room, and it's done a whole huge transformation. So we're gonna show you guys that real quick. All right, let's go. Doing your whole room, baby boy, from scratch. You see this? All this construction we're doing for you. Look at the walls. Look at the door. We're gonna put a new door on there for you. Put some new sheetrock up on the walls, up on the ceiling. You are gonna have the best room in the house, boy. That's how you know we love you, baby. I love you, baby boy. Check it out. From scratch, baby. Gotta fix that hole. Gotta make sure my baby boy don't have no leaks in his room. No leaks. You feel me? Alright.
The what?
Good enough.
Alright, we about to put these walls up, baby. Here's the grandparent that is posing. Just kidding.
I got one.
Go.
Progress. As you can see, all the drywall, most of it, like probably 90% of it's up right now.
90% of it is up.
Yeah, there's a few gaps we're gonna fill, and then we gotta do the taping, mudding, sanding, and then we can start painting.
That's right, baby. See, so we got just a couple spots left. Pretty much almost there, but once we're it's all good. But once we finish up the drywall, like she said, the mud, then the painting, and then the setup, and it's just gonna look dope, man. It's gonna look so dope. Should we show them the color scheme that we chose?
Nah, let's
leave it as a
simple. Start painting.
Alright.
The colors.
Yeah. Alright. Cool. Cool.
Yeah. This is all a. By the way, this is all a DIY project. By no means is it perfect like a professional would have done it. But hey, like you got family, right?
It's family.
Loves this baby boy so much that we're willing to just look up on YouTube how to do the stuff and do it ourselves. Not me, obviously. I'm not doing it. But my baby, my husband, and my parents have been working their butts off on this room, and I really appreciate everything. So we're getting closer.
We're getting there, baby. We're getting there. Baby boy, this is all for you. All for you, baby boy. You're almost here. Cannot wait to meet you, baby. All right. Happy, man. learning something new in 2019. How to put up a drywall, how to mud it, and then we're gonna start painting. I've painted plenty times before, but when it comes to putting up drywall and applying mud to make it look all cohesive and together, yeah, it's an experience for sure. Yeah. Appreciate you guys joining the journey. All right? Yeah, there we go. Check out soon.
About 95% done.
Yeah,
it's not completely done. As you can see, we don't have our crib yet.
Right.
We're getting that very soon.
Yep.
And we have to still put up these Gladiel letters.
Yeah, we have to finish that up.
Right now they're just in thumbtacks.
All right, not even aligned.
Right, so we gotta fix that. We gotta add the heater,
the cover
to the heater. We are not gonna leave it like that.
Trust and believe. Yep.
But yeah, man, we have a swing. We have this little toys and stuff
man.
here, little books. We gotta get some more books for him.
Yeah.
Little teddy bears his family got.
Yeah.
All his little burp cloths and stuff when he spits up.
Exactly.
We got this nice rocking chair, make it read his stories.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is where he just plays on the floor, rolls all around.
Tries to crawl. He's not there yet. Getting there.
This is one of his favorite toys.
Oh, he loves this.
He can rotate around, walk around, and play with all his things.
Play with each toy. Yep.
Yep.
Got some toys on the ground, as you can see.
Right, he
of course.
throws them all on the floor.
Yep.
So yeah, and then this floor is like awesome because it's foam mat. Like
Right.
it's actually really cushiony and soft.
Yeah.
So
if you look really close, you can actually see where it connects.
yeah, they connect to each other.
Yeah.
And we tape them down so he can't pull them up and stuff. But you know, if he falls and bumps his head, then you know he's fine.
He's on a soft base, right?
Right.
Soft landing.
That's about it.
That's about it, guys. You know, we've come a long way with this room. Done
Yep,
this all.
nice ceiling fan.
Oh
there you
yeah,
go.
look at the nice ceiling fan. Oh yeah, my baby's. Well, he has like the best room in the house.
Right.
I swear.
So you guys can see it was a huge transformation.
Huge transformation
in this room. For you guys that have been following us and watching us from the beginning,
Man. How many months? Is at least what?
6 months.
7 months.
6,
yeah.
7 months.
Something
I don't even
like
know.
that.
I lost count now.
Took us a long time. Not even because we didn't start in January, did we? We started last year.
No, we started in like October.
So it's been longer.
Yeah, October, November, December, January, February.
At least
March,
8-9 months.
April, May.
Now
So like
June.
now June.
Okay, so
like
7-8 months. All right, there you
So
go.
that's a long time.
God dang. So yeah, man, this used to be my old office, like I said. You guys remember the wood panels on the wall?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, I mean, this is where I used to do my old videos, and now it's become, well, then again, it went to your office, and now it's become his room. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I wish I could take it back, to be honest. Now, now we hooked it up, but hey, but I.